biggest fish you've ever got? What's that, 60, 70?
Notice the restrooms need any attention at all throughout the trip, and they will from time to time. Let me know, let Jason know, let Jamie know, And,
certainly is beautiful here today, right now. It's probably about 85 degrees. Calm seas so far. It's supposed to be no higher than 3-foot seas this whole trip in beautiful weather. We'll see.
Unsanitary. I mean, the toilet's unsanitary. You don't want your head in there, you know? All right.
Ready to catch them up? You don't have to hide from the video. That's what we're trying to get people in here. St. Pete is in the house. Jim Kendall. Where are you coming from, sir?
Georgia.
Georgia. All right. Y'all going to win that championship game tomorrow? All right.
Go Dogs.
I hear you. Go Dogs, eh? I don't know. I think LSU might have something to say about it. Miami? Miami what? The U. The U. The U. Didn't Duke just beat them? Didn't Duke beat them?
Everybody.
I know the Gators did, but you know.
Tough crowd.
FIU beat them. Duke beat them, didn't it? And it wasn't even coached by Spurrier. You're trying to forget. I know FSU thought they were pretty good for about a quarter. All right. Bye. Tampa in the house. How you doing? You ready to catch them up? Gentlemen on it. Come on, no, you're supposed to be in the thing. I wanted to talk to you. So this gentleman here, tell him your name.
Sean.
John?
Sean.
Sean is from Louisville, Kentucky.
Yes.
And he drove all the way down here he's been on the boat before, but this is his first 39-hour, right?
39-hour trip.
All right, man. So you ready to see what it's all about?
It'll be worth it.
Graduating on up.
Yes.
All right. Well, good luck to you.
Thanks.
How you doing, sir?
All right. How
You ready to catch them up?
Yes, sir.
Jacksonville,
Florida.
Jacksonville, Florida, the bold new city of the South. Well, you probably came right through my hometown, Hawthorne. You know where Hawthorne is? Right on 301. That's where I'm from. All right, here we go, Bob. See if Will's ready. I don't know if he can see it through the fog, the smoke. Here we go. Pretty easy. All right, Will, tell us all about it, brother.
All right, John, we're headed out here. We got nice weather this trip. Coming off a decent midweek trip, but we had a little bit of weather on the midweek trip, believe it or not. It was bumpy out there, and so we didn't go out as far as we wanted to. We hit rough weather, so I think we're going all the way right now, guys. Get up there and get on these gag grouper while they're still in season, and the mangoes have been good and big too. So we're expecting good fishing, and see how it goes.
Sounds like a good plan to me.
Yes, sir.
All right. I'll check back with you later.
All right.
I want y'all to see this guy's shirt now. Tell me if it does not fit the gentleman just right. It says, Bigfoot saw me, but nobody believes it. It's you, brother. It's you.
Yep.
How y'all doing?
I'm doing great, John.
You ready to catch them up?
I'm ready.
How about you, sir? You ready to get them? All right. Y'all ready to catch them up?
Yes, sir.
Probably about 1 o'clock tonight. That would be my guess. All right, we're gonna get up here on the bow. Man, is it gorgeous here or what? I mean, it is crystal clear blue sky. Let me give you a little quick panoramic view here of the pass. There is literally not a cloud in the sky except down the south a little bit. There's the moon peeking up. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of doing what my old fishing partner used to say, old Herb, God rest his soul, it's about dumping the fish out like a bowl. There's quite the glare probably on the camera, not much I can do about that. Here's some fishermen coming back with their dogs. But it is flat calm, supposed to be pretty much like this the whole trip. I actually hope we have about a 2-foot chop because it makes for a better anchor heading. But we'll see. It's better than the cold it was a couple of weeks ago. They had a pretty good midweek trip. I wasn't on it, but they did pretty fair from what I hear. Last weekend, we got quite a few gags and mangoes, so I'm hoping of a repeat of that. I got 1 gag, so I'm hoping to actually limit out this trip. It is the last weekend trip of the season. The bridge is now opening, and the captain is waiting for the all clear horn students get out of school. So if you want a little lull, come right after Thanksgiving. Probably get a place right on the beach fairly cheap. There's the Pelicans waiting for us to return. And as you can see, we're coming through the pass. I'll go up a little bit. You can see the bridge. Essentially, when we clear these this bridge, we're literally in the Gulf of Mexico. That's the Madeira beach side. You can see a few people out there hanging on the jetty fishing. I see somebody over there surf fishing, actually. A few over here on the Treasure Island side. Tammy's on the grill, making cheeseburgers, or about to. Hello, Tammy, how are you? Caught her at a bad time? We'll come back. She got some flowers. She got like a proposal in the parking lot.
I know, I think the guy's married too. I don't know.
You're gonna see the inside, you know, scoop. Here we go, anchors away. This is the first stop of the night. Getting started on the 39-hour trip. It always starts with the anchor drop. The omnipresent Jason at the helm, the stick, or whatever you'd call it. I don't know, the post. This the what?
Samson post.
The Samson post? Oh, you must have had to pass that on a test. Did you have to pass it?
Actually, that wasn't on the masses. That was for me running into and having a huge bruise on the mass. What did I bruise myself on? What is the technical term for that metal post? See, it's got a line on it that goes to the anchor. And the anchor hooks on the bottom, and we back down on the spot. And then we fish the
That's
spot.
why you're both a mate and a captain, right? Knowing stuff like that. Well, you just heard the horn, which means...
He's up further than that already.
Yeah, he's right here, to our left.
You see it?
Uh-oh. Gaff down here, gaff, gag. Keep it tight, keep it tight. Yeah, there it goes.
Just keep his head still like that, John. Perfect. Keep his head down just like that.
That's my first gag ever.
Excellent. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Good one.
So what does he weigh about?
Well around, we'll probably need a gap.
Yeah, he's right here to our left. Uh-oh, that's an hidden. Gaff down here, gaff, gaff, gag. It's coming. Keep it tight, keep it tight.
Whoa. Just keep his head still like that, Sean. Perfect. Keep his head down just like that. That's my first gag ever.
Woo!
Yes, sir.
It's a good one.
So what does he weigh about?
Sorry, Jim. A shark.
Nurse.
A man needs a nurse.
Hadn't caught a nurse shark in a while.
All right, Sheriff, pick that thing up. Pick it up. Over there, down by the ball.
Giant mango. There we go.
Very nice. Very nice.
Wintertime mangrove.
And now, Will, check out the action over here on the stern. Nice manga. Nice fish, Jim. It's an
Well, first couple of stops, not too bad. Not first, we're out there about 4 stops, I guess. Looking good. That's your scamp, sir?
That's my scamp.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
He's on number 3. Number 3?
I got a gag about that big. Oh, your gag was big, way bigger than mine. But neither one of them are keeping. So what do you think so far, Will?
Well, I got a mouthful of food, but it was a good night of mangrove fishing. We didn't get many groupers yet, but we've had a better than the last couple trips, I would say, wouldn't you, John?
Absolutely.
Good mangrove fishing tonight.
Chewing pretty steady.
And we'll hopefully get into these groupers in the daytime.
And we're still got a little darkness left.
We got one more spot before the sun comes up.
I hear you. All right, we'll give you a behind the scenes look here.
Oh, no.
Tammy's making an omelet. It is a beauty.
Thank you.
Look at that. Ham, bacon and cheese omelet. Very nice.
Thank you. Very good.
Well, good morning, Tammy.
Good morning.
Here's an example of the menu. I don't know if you can read it, but it says Tam Slam, which is bacon, eggs with pancakes. Very delicious. I've had it many times. I have just ordered the omelet with cheese bacon after being inspired by the one on the grill. There you go. What's
Little scamp in the box.
just before sunrise here. Probably got about another 45 minutes to an hour.
the double B? No, he's not.
I don't believe he's going to make it. But an expert release. Got a pretty decent mango.
I have my venting tool.
Flopping on. You got a vent him? Well, we'll watch your vent him, sir.
There we go.
Let the air out. We toss him over the side, and away he goes. Nice mango, feline. Walk up this side, see what people are doing. How's the fellas from Atlanta doing? I seen y'all pulling quite a few over the last few stops. I'll show you one of your prize catchers right there.
There you go.
How's it going?
Pretty good. How are you?
Got your first grouper a couple stops ago. How'd that feel?
First gag grouper.
Yeah, it's
Real
cool,
good.
man. We got a
Nice
good
one.
picture of him.
Yeah.
Congratulations, all the way from Louisville to the Gulf of Mexico.
Yes. Watch your side. You're gonna go around. You go watch your lines, guys. They're grouping. Keep going, Mark. Keep going. Yep.
My
Good job
line,
there.
bro.
Good job.
Nice gag, sorry. Good job, sir. Is it pulling over there, Danny?
Guys, watch your lines as we go. He's got a big fish on right here. What happens, guys? You might be around Mark. He's around Mark's line. Hold on. Yeah, you're on the next one. You got the
Sorry.
Mark's got a reel. Mark's coming out. Yeah, we got color on it.
Don't
Yeah,
pull.
sure. Yeah, I see you pulling on it.
Stop pulling over there on the side. Nice fish.
Just landed a nice fatty tuna up there on the bow.
Oh, maybe he's got a tuna. I hope so.
Yeah, he might
Yeah,
have.
Robbie.
Gap up front.
Now I've been going back to my tuna a bit.
Oh, okay.
Uh-oh, here comes the Dolphin.
He just ain't running like a deer.
Out there.
Oh, he went crazy.
But they usually continue to run like somewhere.
Yeah, I think you're right. That was big, whatever it is.
Anybody see anything yet? The color?
I hope. We're starting to think it might be a shark.
We got a second man on the reel.
Yeah, he took off fast the first time. The longer we got him on there, the more he acts like a shark.
Yeah. John, can you move that one for me?
You're probably in that fish.
What do you think? That was fun. Was that your biggest fish you've ever caught? Yes, that's the biggest fish I've ever caught. What's that, 60, 70?
Mahi mahi. Just bring him in. Nice fish.
I'm down there.
Look how quick
Thanks, guys.
Good to eat.
Nice job.
You get him. Smile, this is all a video. I mean,
He felt pretty good. I didn't think it was a mango. He acted more like maybe an albacore or something.
So once these overcast skies and water spouts moved in, they kind of fired off again, getting a little more aggressive?
Yeah, pretty much. Pretty dead before, and now it's 5 seconds.
Nice. All right, we'll go get you another one. Sweet.
Very pretty fish. In like a few minutes. It's one of the reasons why you got to be careful coming out here in a small boat, because it can. This was not predicted. The weather can be very unpredictable in the Gulf of Mexico. We now went from pretty much flat seas to pouring rain. Several water spouts around us, including a very big one. I'm not sure if you can see it. And seas are probably about 5 feet, literally within 20 minutes. So be safe. This vessel is safe, but sometimes people take risk coming out here. They probably shouldn't. Anyway, it's pouring rain. I'm gonna get out of it. Talk to you later.
Yeah, he's gonna be 25 out of that. James is training to look like that. Jay, don't train him too good now. Know what? Don't train him too good. That? What number's that? Oh, shoot. No, you're alright, you're alright. We'll go up there. Yeah, we can't do it. I had him like a
Well, I'm gonna do a video of Captain Hubbard doing a video. Live stream.
Big mangrove. Lots of nice mangroves during this trip. Porgies. Looks like a nice pile of fish. Nice big fat tuna there. Looks like a pretty good trip, huh, Will?
Yeah, it was a good trip. Weather was perfect for the trip. We had some rain in the afternoon, but that happens, you know. But the fishing was great before then, so we had a better than we've been having nighting fishing on the mangroves. And decent on the gags again, but great night of mangrove fishing. Good gag fishing throughout the day. Get a couple here, a couple there, and then they add up throughout the trip.
What was this big tuna caught?
He said he caught that, not even dropping down or doing up. He said he caught it with his line on the bottom.
Oh, just bottom of the sheet. Just happened to come across it.
Yeah.
Jay, you gonna hold up that big gag for me?
I don't know if I can.
Larry's got his 30 pounder
That is like quite the stringer right there.
It is quite the stringer he put together.
No,
Don't do that.
No. Larry just asked me to do it, but you know, something's always second.
You guys know how Jay is.
Get the rest of the stringer.
That's $10 a hole.
Help him up. Help him.
Come on, help him.
Help the boy. Help that boy.
That is a nice stringer.
Omnipresent
This probably
Jason.
weighs 26 pounds, and then with the stringer,
Look at that.
42.
You gonna weigh the stringer at the same time?
Since we're stroke, I just put
Nice
them
fish.
together.
Nice catch.
Hang it on the
Good trip. You guys are gonna start passing them out?
Yeah, we're gonna start sliding these things out here.
So I'm videoing the man live.
Very cool.
Captain Hubbard will be on at 8:30 tonight on his cooler. Okay, there you go. Let me get a video of it. All right, man. Good fishing with you. Yep. All right, we're going down here. They're throwing the fish out. They're piling up. There you go. Now here's what you want. You start with an empty cooler. I'll even hold it for you. You start with an empty cooler, you come here, you go out, and you fill that baby up.
Do the best you can to get it full.
There you go. They going to Tennessee?
Yep.
All right.
Gotta go through the airport first though.
That'll be fun.
Oh yeah. As long as you stay below 40 pounds, sir.
They're good. All right, they're still throwing fish out. There's that tuna. That pretty much fills that cooler up by itself.
So she did have 2 stringers.
These Tampa boys did all right.
Yeah, we did all right.
Got a 36. Where they're throwing fish. Did you tear them up?
Yes, he did.
36.
Up just to see what he weighs.
And you know, we already took a half a pound of blood out of him because bled this one. He's gonna be real big.
Little ice. 22.6. That's
Nice
real
fish.
good for a blackfish.
Nice one.
They don't get a whole lot bigger.
Good deal.
He still weighed 28.5, sir, so. Didn't go up.
28.55.
28.55 on that one. He did go up. And by the time you finish telling the story, he'll be about 40.
No doubt with that picture, he got 40 pounds.